guys, we're looking super rough this morning, but what is new? Nothing. I'm about to go into Kingdom Coffee and get some coffee. Haven't had a cup of coffee in like almost 6 weeks, which is crazy because I love coffee. But I just decided to give it up because I felt too reliant on it, and I hate being reliant on things like that other than Jesus. So that is that situation. But yeah, I'm gonna meet with my friends, my girls from my high school group, and we're just gonna have a great morning. It's currently 6:59 a.m. and yeah, I don't know how I have energy. Honestly, the Lord gives me energy when coffee is not in the picture, and always. So yeah, let's get this vlog started. Hi, puppy. I love kisses, but your breath smells. Do you get the love too? Do you? Yes, you do. It's a little bit of a boring first half of the day. I definitely made food and forgot to show you. But it wasn't anything crazy. It was literally like Brussels sprouts and eggs. Kind of a random combination, but I'm trying to finish up homework so that like when everybody gets home and gets off work, I don't have to be doing anything related to school. So Sweetie! Sweetie! Oh, she didn't jump. Sweetie!
Gosh.
Let's go outside! Let's go outside!
Oh, those night poops though, Shadow. They just really get you.
Sweetie, what do you think of this? Oh, Sweetie. Psst.
Shadow, what's happening? Huh? Nice. Oh, yeah, that's nice. Oh,
Girl? Good girl.
oh, good girls.
Okay, right now we are playing gestures. What are you doing, Mama?
Sweetie, that's not a bone.
Bad girl?
Where did
Oh, okay, went down. Next. Oh!
my first meal of the day, so.
Uh-oh.
You are taco right. You're a burrito.
She's not even phased. Sweetie. Oh my gosh.
Poor little puppy.
Where did the doggy go? We don't have Sootsy anymore.
Where did she go? There she is. What's up, guys? Okay, it's been a minute since I like actually vlogged on the vlog. A lot of my vlogs lately have just been like almost like journal, like diary entry type vibe, where like I just kind of do little montages. I honestly don't really care, but I do like talking to the camera and like sharing my thoughts. If I'm gonna be completely honest with like my whole thought process when I post YouTube videos, there's like two reasons I do it. One, because I love posting them for my grandparents, because they both like they don't live far away, but like significantly not super close. The second reason is literally because I think that it's really good to talk things that are going through your mind through, and I think that's what I do most of the time when I vlog, which I don't know. It's kind of like a journal, but like in real life. But obviously I don't get super deep most of the time. But yeah, I think that this summer is going to be really fun to like just vlog and get back into it. I know that it's always a crazy busy time during the school year, but I'm not like going to be a student forever. So there's only one more season of that. And it's just really exciting to get to really, I don't know, start being creative and doing what I want to do. I also like don't ever really care how I look in these videos. I'm not trying to be like that person, but I like literally don't care. I think I've gone through a lot of different seasons in my life where like I've had like moments of insecurity, and if I've learned anything throughout like my senior year of high school until now, it's to just literally not care. And I think there's like a healthy level of that where like you should obviously look presentable when you need to, but like I don't feel the need to like put on a full, like half the time I do not do my makeup or like anything fancy with my hair anyways. So that just like doesn't make me feel any more inclined to like have to do it now. Anyways, my main point of putting this part into the video is that whenever I speak on here, it's so honest that like, I don't know how to explain my thoughts any other way. I just am an honest person. Tell it how it is type thing. But yeah, continue to come along with me in these videos. I can't promise that they're like quality film, if that makes sense, but definitely will give you a good laugh and a good story. So stay tuned for the summer. Bye.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.